Hello friends, my name is Taufik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a box mockup in Adobe Illustrator. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. So let's say I want to create a mockup on this particular box. But if I try to do it directly, so let me show you what I mean by directly. So let's say I have this design ready and I want to use it as a mockup over this blank box. And remember, whenever you insert or import any image in Illustrator and if you want to create mockup, then make sure that you click on embed. Otherwise, any method that you use won't work. So embed. Now let's say I want to use it on this particular image. So I will crop this first, crop, and I will only keep the middle area of this design. Apply. Now I'm going to use the option which is called the free transform tool. So if I try to use it directly, as I said earlier, so let's say I want to use this free distort option. So even if I try, it won't work because we need to use a trick to be able to apply the mockup. So I will undo this and I will show you how it works actually. So let's say if you take any shape, color doesn't really matter, and you use free transform tool. Now regularly it works like this. If you use this option again, free distort, it works like this. So as you can see, on a regular shape it is working properly, but as we saw earlier, it won't work on this particular image. So what we can do is we can insert this particular design in shape first. I will show you. So let me take a couple of copies of this particular image so that I can apply different designs on the sides. So I will crop this first. So again, crop, and just like earlier, I will keep the middle part like so. Apply. Now I will show you first, then we can crop these remaining two. So I want this on top of this box. So instead of doing it directly, I will take a rectangle and make sure that the rectangle is above the image. Now select both rectangle and shape, go to object, envelope distort and make it top object. That's why the object needs to be above. So it is now inside the shape. Now we can use this option, free transform, again free distort, and now we can use this easily. So this is one side, and similarly we can apply to remaining sides. So let's say I want to use this side now. So again, go to crop and crop the area, keep the area that you want, apply. Again I will keep this area, I want this area on the side. So again I will go to crop and I will keep that area. Apply. Again, create a rectangle, make sure that rectangle is above, select both object and rectangle, go to envelope distort and make it top object. Again repeat the same thing, free transform, choose free distort and make sure that it is properly placed. You can zoom it like so, and even if I complete this, the step isn't complete. This is not done properly, but you get the idea. This looks better. As I said earlier, you have to zoom it if you want to do it properly. So this looks better than earlier. You can make it even better, but I'm not just wasting any time. Again, do the same thing, object, and now using the same method, apply this onto this side. We are not done yet. So this looks pretty good, can be better, but as I said earlier, I don't want to spend too much of time. Just follow the technique. Now, to make it even more realistic, we need to use the transparency panel. So go to Windows, transparency panel, and we can change, just like Photoshop, we can change the blending mode. So darken, multiply. So multiply, I think color burn doesn't look good. Multiply or darken, as you can see. So this looks more realistic. So this is how we can create the mockup entirely in Adobe Illustrator. But as we all know, the best option to create any mockup is Photoshop. But let's say you face a situation that you only have Adobe Illustrator. So we can do this very easily using Adobe Illustrator, and remember, we have to use the transparency panel to make it even more realistic. So this is how we can create box mockup in Adobe Illustrator using very simple steps. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.